I've told you that we can't lose. We will not accept any fake things. There is fiction of loss. We will not accept anything. Victory is ours. We will win this election.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe here and hit the notification bell. Kuti rapese patino upload masini karutendera ma social media akasiyana siyana nema streets akasiyana siyana. So tine nhau yetinayo muri yeZimbabwe, tine nhau mavhoti, results emavhoti akabva kuitwa musi 23 August 2023. Yasiya veruzhinji weZimbabwe vachichema vachitsanangura vachiti results aya haana kubuda zvakanaka, uye veruzhinji vamwe vari kuti akabuda zvakanaka, vamwe voti haana buda zvakanaka. So vachamisa avo mutungamiri weCCC vari kuti ivo vane plani yekuti vave vachatungamira Zimbabwe uye vari kuda kufambira nyaya dzacho. So without wasting your time, ndokumbira muzvinzwire, musakamba nekusubscribe kana kari kekutanga, musakamba nekukomenta, musakamba nekulike. Okay, thank you watching.
I've told you that we can't lose. We will not accept any fake things. There is fiction of loss. We will not accept anything. Victory is ours. We will win this election. Anything that is announced outside our victory is a lie, is fiction.
What will you do if that lie comes?
We will not allow lies to prevail. Lies have always been fought throughout history, and we will fight this one.
President, how do you fight an electoral system that pronounces a result that is supported by courts and the rules and laws of this country? How do you fight that without becoming a terrorist?
The best court to announce and define an electoral winner is the People's Court, the electorate. That is the highest court in elections. Any other court is a surrogate court, and we are going to win in that court, the court of the people, the court of public opinion, the citizens' court.